Welcome back, Math 100 students. From today's class, we did not have enough time to finish our in-class exercises, week 5 Friday, derivatives part number 2. Let's continue with number 5. Here's the question. If our function is e to the x multiplied by some function g of x, where g of 0 equal to 5, g prime of 0 equal to 1, find f prime of 0. In other words, we have to find out the derivative of this guy, e to the x multiplied by g of x. Did you just hear what I said? I said e to the x multiplied by g of x. Whenever you hear my word multiply by, that means we have a product of two functions or more. Because we have a product of two functions or more, what kind of rule should we use to find the derivative? If you said product rule, then you're correct. In case some of you forgot about the product rule that we discussed in class, let me write down the formula one more time. If you have a product of two functions, some function multiplied by another function, prime, becomes derivative of that first one times by the original second one plus original first one times by the derivative of the second piece, which is g prime of x. Here I'm treating the blue color to be coming from the first piece, so let's put it number 1. Multiplied by the green color is coming from the second piece, which means number 2. If you understood the formula, then let's go back to our function. Did you notice that we have a first function multiplied by another function going on? Then I treat e to the x as number 1. I treat the g of x number 2. And then feel free to use the product rule. Here's the solution starts for this example here. The derivative of this function is derivative of the first guy, which means the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Times by, you see we have original green color, g of x, copy and paste. And the original first guy, copy and paste. Times by g prime of x, which means the derivative of the second guy, g prime of x. Like so. And then, did you notice that our goal is to find out the derivative f prime evaluated at 0? This means whenever you see x here, x, 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 you replace it with a 0. We have a great news, everyone. What is g of 0 from given question here? It's 5. What is g prime of 0? It's 1. So everything here is a numerical value. 1 times 5 plus 1 times g prime of 0 is 1. Altogether, we have 5 plus 1 becomes 6. This is the answer for number 5.